Good morning from a beautiful day, 92. It is mid 50s right now. It's perfect hiking weather. It's dry. The sun is out. And I would say the birds are chirping, but there's not that many birds this morning for whatever reason. Just one loud crow or something off in the distance. But had a good night's sleep. We were the only two in the shelter, and then two couples that were at the main roadhouse rolled in later. So there was just 6 of us total at the lean-to area. And today we are making the push to the Kennebec River. We'll stop a couple miles short at a campground or a stealth site, depending on how we feel, as you can only get across between 9 and 2. So definitely way too far to make 2 to get across. It's about an 18-mile day today, although not much elevation gain. But we would really have to be jogging to get there by 2. And then the river's about another 3 miles after where we're camping. So yeah, it's not really feasible. So basically today's plan is to set ourselves up for the river crossing and just enjoy ourselves. We apparently have a couple of views that are listed as really good. So looking forward to that. I'm not sure that they can be better than the Bigelows yesterday, but it is clearer today, so perhaps Mount Washington and Mount Katahdin will be a little bit clearer. But otherwise, a relatively easy day, we believe, compared to some of the other recent days. And was feeling a little creaky last night with the knees. Definitely were not liking all the downs and big ups that we did. We had a bunch of, not challenging, but just big steps, or, boulder hopping where you're definitely going up. And actually took 2 Advil last night to help alleviate any swelling. And it's pretty rare, I'd say. I only do that maybe once every 2 or 3 weeks, if that. I still have Advil that I started the trip with. So anyway, that's the news today. It's a lowish water source day again, so you have water in, now about 3 miles, and then it's somewhat dry for the rest of the day, except for a boggy pond apparently. So we'll catch you later, hopefully from the views. Ducky out. One of the many ponds. This one has a whole slew of houses, and we've been walking along it for a while. Pretty big. Yeah. We have a nice boardwalk through this little swampland. Although they definitely enjoyed twisting and turning it. No moose. Every now and then there's an area where there's just tons and tons of deadfall, but here also it's good tree canopy, so hard to say why. And there's a bog bridge that we just crossed the marshlands with, but we're up a good 15-20 feet from the marsh.